Here is Cash. This is Dottie's big brother, something like that. Cousin. Y'all say what up? Cash, what are you doing? Huh? You gotta say hi. Come on, y'all making the people dizzy now. Let her get it. Oh, she got it. She's about to fling you, Dottie. Cash. He dropped the rope, Dottie. He dropped the rope, Dottie.
Get the rope. Get the rope.
What up? They just want to play, Dottie. Y'all tired now? Huh? Y'all tired?
Tell her get it.
No. Huh? Gosh, that's disrespectful. Dottie, you gonna stop him? No? Get out his business, Dottie. He's drinking water. Zeus don't want you interrupting his water break. Okay? Uh-oh, get his tail, Dottie. Oh, Cash ain't gonna let you. Get the tail. Let me get that. He ain't gonna let you get the tail. He ain't gonna let you get it. Oh, you gave up. She don't want no more. She's just playing. Look at her.